Geico versus USAA, two giants in the world of car insurance. Both promise great rates and service, but only one can truly stand out. On one side, the iconic lizard-backed Geico. On the other, the member-focused, military-rooted USAA, two titans with very different approaches. Forget the marketing, let's dive right into what really matters for drivers like you. We'll rate them in each major category and tally up the points so you can see exactly who comes out ahead. The final winner, you might be surprised. Quick overview, here's the mind map of how we're going to compare Geico and USAA. We're looking at price, customer service, coverage options, eligibility, and honestly, we cannot forget financial strength and reputation. All the big stuff you actually care about before signing up. Let's kick it off with price because, let's be real, that's usually the first thing we look at. Geico is kinda famous for being budget-friendly. They typically have lower average premiums and throw in all sorts of discounts like you blink and there's another discount. The catch, your rates can pop up if you file claims. Now, USAA is known for competitive prices too, especially if you're military, plus they've got some sweet bundling deals. But generally, unless you qualify for those military perks, Geico usually comes out cheaper. So if we're talking just straight-up price, Geico takes the win here. Alright, next up, let's talk customer service. Geico, it's got that 24/7 hotline. The website and app make filing claims ridiculously easy, like the whole process is pretty smooth. But depending where you are, some folks have had mixed experiences, nothing wild but still worth mentioning. Now USAA, oh man, they almost have a fan club for their customer service. We're talking top JD. Power ratings, agents who know you, really personalized stuff. Only downside, it's only for eligible members, but honestly, if that's you, it's hard to beat. So USAA totally takes this round. Switching gears, let's look at coverage options. Geico's got all the basics, but you can add a ton of extras like emergency road service, even rideshare insurance, you name it. The thing is, it's not really tailored for any specific lifestyle, it's sort of one size fits all. USAA, on the other hand, actually customizes some of their stuff for military life. Think deployment options, overseas coverage, storage for your car if you're away. Super unique, but again, only if you're eligible. In terms of sheer variety and perks, it's honestly a tie here, just depends what fits your situation. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. USAA actually started way back in 1922 when 25 Army officers couldn't even get car insurance anywhere else. They just said, you know what? Let's do this ourselves, and that's how USAA was born. Alright, time for eligibility, and this one's pretty simple. Geico, anyone can sign up. It's totally open, no secret handshake, no special requirements. That means more people get access, but you don't get any exclusive perks or anything. USAA, super exclusive, as in only for military members, veterans, and their families. So if you're not connected to the military, you're out of luck, but for those who qualify, the perks are real. So Geico is obviously the more accessible choice here. Now let's talk about financial strength and reputation. Geico's been around forever, A++ rating from AM Best, people know the brand. There are sometimes complaints about claims, but otherwise solid reputation. USAA. Also A++, but their satisfaction and service ratings are, honestly, kinda legendary. If you can get in, they make you feel like part of an exclusive club. Slight catch, again, not everyone qualifies. But for those in the club, USAA's reputation is about as good as it gets. So USAA edges it out in this one. Zooming out, you can really see the different strengths and quirks when you lay it all on a radar chart. Like, price slants toward Geico, customer service and reputation definitely spike with USAA, eligibility is way broader for Geico. It all comes down to where your priorities land. So here's how I'd sum it up. If you just want low rates and the widest eligibility, Geico's your best friend. But honestly, if you're military or family, USAA isn't just a good deal, it's like on a whole other level for service and military-friendly coverage. I'd personally say, for most people, Geico wins overall, but USAA is unbeatable for those who qualify. Want more insurance breakdowns like this? Seriously, hit that follow because we keep these comparisons clear, unbiased, and actually useful.